The Caterpillar D11 bulldozer, commonly referred to as the D11, no matter which version we're talking about, is an iconic and super powerful machine in the world of heavy equipment. Introduced to the market in 1986, the D11 was developed to meet the growing demand for large-scale earth-moving and construction projects. This colossal dozer has since become synonymous with earth-moving prowess, and its evolution over the years has seen remarkable improvements in terms of power, efficiency, and operator comfort. This is the story of an earth-moving legend. We are in the early 80s, and the dozer dominating the earth-moving industry is without a doubt the Caterpillar D10. Released in the late 70s by Caterpillar, the D10 became an instant hit on the market, but mining contractors all around the world soon begged for something bigger and more powerful. So in 1986, the Caterpillar D11N was introduced to market as a replacement for the D10 model. Cat designed this bulldozer to handle the most challenging tasks in the construction, mining, and quarrying industries. It was engineered to move vast amounts of material efficiently, making it an essential tool for large-scale excavation projects across the globe. The D11N had some major improvements over the D10. It includes a bigger track and blade and a longer track by 21 inches. The U-blade was just under 21 feet long and 7 feet high. This increased the blade capacity to 45 cubic yards, aka 34 cubic meters. The D11N had a weight of 204,517 pounds, or 92 metric tons. It was powered by a 770 horsepower V8 diesel engine. These improvements made it over 10% more productive than the D10. In 1987, a hydraulically powered impact ripper was added to the D11N, which raised the weight up to 102 metric tons. This would become known as the D11N impact ripper. The D11N held strong for a decade, but in 1996, Caterpillar introduced the D11R and D11R carry dozer at the Las Vegas Mine Expo show. Improvements made to the D11R were fingertip controls and electronic clutch and brakes. The fingertip controls, also called FTC, allowed the D11R to be steered with small fingertip clutches on the left-hand side. The D11R now weighed 104 metric tons. The carry dozer version has a special blade with a curvature that allowed 57 cubic yards, or 43 cubic meters, to be pushed. This blade design was introduced by Komatsu on their D575 dozers in 1995 as the Super Dozer version. Once again, the D11R remained a major actor on the earth-moving scene for more than a decade, until the D11T was introduced, back in 2008. The D11T and D11TCD were both powered by the Cat C32 engine. The D11R and the D11T differ in the configuration and layout of their operator controls. Several levers have been changed into electronic switches, and several controls have been moved for increased visibility. Another difference is that the D11T has its exhaust mufflers closer to the front of the cab, similar to the D10T. They stand taller than the ones on the D11N or the D11R. A few years ago, Caterpillar introduced the new version of the D11. This time, no letter was changed, and the dozer was named as D11. That's it. The specifications between the D11T and the new D11 are minimal, as the dozer possibly reached a certain level of perfection, as usually reported by operators all around the world. The price of this machine is also something you may not know about. As of 2021, the maximum price tag for a D11 was just about $2.9 million. With current inflation, expect to spend more than $3 million for a fully loaded version. Throughout its evolution, the Caterpillar D11 has been at the forefront of innovation in the construction and mining industries. It has consistently set new standards for power, efficiency, and operator comfort. It is by far one of the most achieved machines out there, and it's fair to believe that the D11 will remain in Cat's lineup for the next decades to come. Fascinating piece of engineering.